worthy guest of honor, excellencies, flag, general and air officers, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Let me start by paying our deepest condolence to the people of Turkey and Syria over the huge devastation and loss of precious lives in the recent earthquake. Our thoughts and prayers are with the bereaved families. We stand with them in these testing times and pray that their pain and sufferings are over soon. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor and profound privilege to welcome our friends today from all over the world for Exercise Aman 2023, the 8th edition of the multinational maritime exercise being conducted by Pakistan Navy since 2007. This year, the exercise brings together navies of 50 countries with an aim to promote security, stability, and cooperation at sea. Ladies and gentlemen, as a maritime nation, Pakistan has substantial stakes in keeping our seas safe and secure. Our interests are based on three imperatives. Firstly, our extraordinary dependence on the seas for trade. Secondly, operationalization of Gwadar Port with coming up of the CPEC project. And thirdly, our strategic location astride the global energy highway. Cumulatively, these imperatives make maritime stability an important national security interest for Pakistan. We realize the importance of maritime security not only for us, but for all other countries whose prosperity and progress are tied to the seas. While we talk of security and stability at sea, let us be mindful of the threats and challenges that we face in the maritime domain, ranging from piracy, terrorism, narco-arms trafficking to climate change. However, vastness of the seas makes it extremely difficult for any one nation to deal with these diverse challenges alone. This calls for collective effort to make sure the seas remain safe and secure for all to use and benefit from. Pakistan Navy is therefore a firm believer in the concept of collaborative maritime security and has been actively participating in maritime security and counter-piracy operations along with other partner navies since 2004. Furthermore, since 2018, Pakistan Navy is undertaking regional maritime security patrols through which our ships maintain presence in vital sea areas in the Indian Ocean region to contribute towards maintaining good order at sea in accordance with our international obligations. Exercise Aman thus underscores the significance of combating the maritime threats collectively through cooperation and mutual support, and provides enormous opportunities to the participants for shaping and rehearsing the contours of such a collective response. Ladies and gentlemen, Aman exercises are also about building ships, friendships, relationships, and partnerships. Occasions like these help us understand with each other a bit better, in a way which otherwise may not be possible. Coming together for Aman also increases our awareness as to how we, the people in whites, can achieve synergy through collaboration against common threats and challenges. I am hopeful that the exercise this year will provide a forum for greater information sharing, enhancing mutual understanding, and finding innovative solutions for the benefit of all the participating navies. I am confident that our interaction over the next few days would manifest the true spirit of Exercise Aman, as reflected so aptly in its motto, Together for Peace. As Commander Pakistan Fleet, I expect Aman 2023 to be mutually rewarding and professionally beneficial for all the participants. I also pledge our esteemed guests the best of our traditional hospitality. I hope that you will take back with you not only fond memories of the exercise and your stay in Pakistan, but also the spirit of cooperation and collaboration that have brought us all together. I thank you all.
اس ملک سے جہاں عالم کو پاکستان کی جانب سے امن کا پیغام چاہے گا، وہاں امن کے لیے کی جانے والی کاوشوں کو بھی استحکام حاصل ہوگا. امن کے قیام کا مقصد صرف اور صرف یہ ہے کہ سمندری وسائل اور ذرائع کو انسانیت کے فلاح و بہبود کے لیے استعمال کیا جائے، سمندری وسائل کا خیال رکھا جائے اور سمندر کو درپیش چیلنجز، ماحولیاتی آلودگی سمیت دیگر مسائل کے حل کی طرف بھرپور توجہ دی جائے اور تمام اقوام مل کر سماج دشمن سرگرمیوں کی روک تھام کا عزم کریں. پاکستان نیوی اس مشق کے کامیاب انعقاد کے لیے بھرپور کوشش جاری رکھ رہی ہے اور اس کے مثبت نتائج کے لیے پرامید ہے. ہماری یہ بحری فوج مستقبل میں بھی اس طرز کے اقدامات کرنے کے لیے پرعزم ہے جن سے علاقائی اور عالمی سطح پر امن کا قیام ہو اور بلو اکانومی کے ذریعے اقتصادی ترقی میں اہم کردار ادا ہو سکے. ناظرین، تقریب کی باقی کارروائیاں جاری رہیں گی جبکہ ہم آپ کو پاکستان نیوی ڈاک یارڈ کراچی سے خداحافظ کہتے ہوئے واپس اسٹوڈیوز چلتے ہیں.
پاک بحری کے زیر اہتمام 8ویں کثیر القومی امن مشق کا آغاز. جنگی مشقیں 14 فروری تک جاری رہیں گی. مشقوں کا آغاز شریک ممالک کی پرچم کشائی کی تقریب سے ہوا. 8ویں کثیر القومی بحری مشق امن میں 50 سے زائد ممالک شریک ہیں. پہلی کثیر القومی بحری مشق امن 2007 میں منعقد ہوئی تھی. وقت ایک بریک کا، واپس